Hello, Scarlett May. Could you tell me about Florence Nightingale?
Oh yes, she died in the year of 31.
And
she went to the Scutari Hospital to help the poor soldiers that had been lying on the dirty floor.
what war? Yes.
With poo on the floor, baby worms called nuggets on the floor. Very painful. If you know what's worse, dead animals. Really crazy.
Oh man.
Some soldiers, just 3 soldiers, died in the Crimean War, but 4 died in the Scutari Hospital.
Oh my gosh.
Because the floor wasn't nice and clean.
So what did
They didn't have some beds.
what did the nurses do?
They travelled to Turkey where the Scutari Hospital was and helped the soldiers. They walked there.
Whoa. And was that Florence Nightingale?
No, Florence Nightingale and her team of nurses.
Yes.
18 nurses came to help.
Wow.
Florence Nightingale at the front leaded them.
And what about Mary Seagull?
There was no Mary Seagull, you silly.
There was. School should be teaching Mary Seagull as well, please. Okay.
They weren't, Mum, you silly.
She was a wonderful black nurse who did exactly the same as Florence Nightingale.
But Mum, she wasn't there in the story.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to tell me about Florence Nightingale?
Florence Nightingale and her team of nurses broomed the floor, cleaned it, wetted it, and dried it. Made new sheets and made new beds. And then, after day and night, the soldiers were getting better. Last night, Florence Nightingale came down with a lamp to see the soldiers were okay. She saved their hands if they wanted to and called their names.
That's lovely.
She was happy to see them leave.
Good.
The end.
Thank you. Well done. Stop frowning. Thank you. Smile.
Cheese.